Hello, I am Pramila from Team Bitbreakers. So in this video I am going to explain about interactive CSS astronomy visualization with celestial objects. Simply it is known as the solar system that we have to replicate. So first we can see the output page and then we can go for coding. So this is the page we have to replicate. Here this is the sun around with orbit, and these are the 8 planets which are revolving around the sun. So this is the page we have to replicate. Let's go. So for that, first I am creating a folder with name visualization. Let me keep solar system. So I have created a folder with name solar system, and I have installed Visual Studio Code for doing this coding. So in this file I am opening the folder with name solar system. So here we have to create two files. First file with name index.html to write HTML code, and the another file with name style.css to write CSS code. So I have created two files. Now first start with HTML code. So first let's start with the basic part of HTML. So first I am creating a title with name solar system. And in next line, I am linking the CSS file to this HTML file. Style.css, I am linking this CSS to this HTML. So in the next header, I am creating a body. So in this body, I am taking the divisions. I am creating a divisions. The first division class with name sun. So this is the first division I have created with the name sun. Let me copy paste this. Sorry, let me write it again. I am creating a certain number of divisions to write all the names of planet. So these are the certain number of divisions to write all the names of the planets. So here first I have wrote sun, and next I will create a orbit. Orbit name Mercury. Next I am writing the names of planet. First planet Mercury. And the second planet Venus. Third planet Earth. Next I will give the names of the planet. Third Earth. Jupiter. So we are giving the name ring. Planet Neptune, last planet Neptune. So this is the all about the HTML file. Once again I will explain it. This is the basic part of HTML with and given the title name with solar system, and in this line linked the CSS file to HTML, and these are the certain number of division classes with all the names of orbit, and this is the all about HTML file. Now let's go to the CSS file. Let me copy paste this file and explain part by part. So in body we have given the background color as black. So if we give background color as black means then we can see all the planets clearly. So we have taken here as black color. So for sun we have given the width as 100 pixels, height as 100 pixels, and the border radius as 50%, and the background color as yellow as it is in yellow color. It looks like in yellow color, and the position absolute top to the 50%, left to the 50%, and the translate at -50. What actually the translate means? The translate here we have given translate -50 degrees. What it means? It moves the element backwards by half of its width, and at the z-axis we have given as 2, and we also added the animation. And for planet, we have given the position as absolute, top to the 50%, left to 50%, transform, translate -50, as I have explained what the translate means. And the as I told, we have added the animations. What actually animations means? It is a technique of illusion models to create an illusion of a movement. And next for the orbit. And for the orbit, same, we have given the width as 200 pixels, height as 200 pixels, border 1 pixels, and the border radius as 50%, position absolute, and transform as -50, and z index as 1. Let me copy up to keyframes, and then we can go to the next. So here we have added the keyframes. What actually keyframes means? These are used for animation. It gives you to control over the animation you want to perform the animation. So these are the keyframes, and we have given the transform translate as -50, as I told, -50 in the above, and rotate at 0 degrees. And for every orbit we have given the keyframe depending upon their size and everything. What actually the here we have given the translate x. What actually it means? Translate x means it is a function, 2D transform function used to translate an element along x-axis. As we have given it x, it transforms along x-axis. If we give here y, it transforms along y-axis, but we need only along x-axis, so we have taken here as x. And this is the all about keyframes. For every planet we have given the separate translate x depending upon their size. And here for every planet we have given the different height, width, and everything. So here first for Mercury, as it is the first planet, we have given first for the Mercury as width as 10 pixels, height 10 pixels, and background color depending upon their colors we have given the colors. And the animation, as I told, we have added the animations. And the next planet for Sun. The next planet is Venus, and for it also we have given the width, height, background color depending upon it. And the next planet Earth, and for Earth we have given the width as 20 pixels. As the planets are arranged in certain manner, depending upon their size they will increase. So we have given here height as 20, as here we have given 10, we have increased here more 10 to than that planet. And the next planet coming to the Mars. And here for Mars we have adjusted width as 18 pixels, height 18 pixels, and the background color depending upon the respective planet, and animation as orbit Mars. And here in Jupiter we have increased the width and height as 35 pixels, and the background color as yellow. And following for Saturn, we have again given the width height as 30 pixels, and the respective color and the animation. And next for Uranus, background color as a blue, and the width height as depending upon the, and the last planet is Neptune. The last planet is Neptune, given width with 23 pixels, height also with 23 pixels, and the background color as a dark blue, and the same following with animations. So this is the overall CSS file, and as I have explained already about the HTML file, now we can go for the go live option where we can see the output of this project. So this is the project we have replicated. I think we have missed a planet here. Let's once go to the output and see it. We can arrange this height and width as 15 pixels. Now once again we can go for go live option. Venus, we are not getting the Venus. Once we can check here whether we have added this planet. We have added here Venus. Once we can check the CSS file. Now once again we can go for go live option. Sorry, here we have to give the orbit as Venus, so it's not coming. Now once again we can check. Yeah, now it's coming. As we've made some mistake in CSS file, we missed this planet. So this is the overall output we got. As we see, the first planet, Mercury, is moving very fast when compared to the last planet, Neptune. And these are the all planets with their respective colors we have given in CSS file. And this is the sun with color yellow we have added. And as this planet is very closer to the sun and stronger the sun's gravitational pull, so it is moving faster when compared to the last planet. As this is very farer to the sun, as the gravitational force is very less, so it is moving slower. So this is the overall page we have replicated. Thank you for watching.